about allergy, very important for 2 marks. What is an allergy, or maybe like what are allergens? Name the chemicals released during allergy, or name the antibody released during allergy. These are the questions could be asked. Or like if a person is suffering from this allergy, I'll tell you the definition of allergy. What kind of medicines should be given to that person? Okay, so these are all the things you need to remember. Allergy, I think we know about it. It's a common term. We use it. Allergy is nothing but it is the exaggerated. It is like not required actually. Okay, exaggerated immune response. Okay, let me just write exaggerated immune response by the body. Okay, so the body is going to show some not unnecessary immune response. It is not required actually for that particular antigen, but still it produces so many immune cells. Okay, exaggerated immune response by our body for a simple, very simple antigen. That's it. For a simple antigen, see, this antigen is not going to cause any disease in your body. For example, pollen grains, PG. The pollen grains are like, they are everywhere. Some pollen grains are normally, they do not cause allergy, but sometimes some species pollen grain, obviously, like if you inhale, so it's going to cause the bronchitis. Okay, very good example is the bronchitis, inflammation of the bronchioles. So normally like you feel very tight in your chest and you feel difficulty in breathing, but like after like 1 or 2 hours, like it will be okay, so you'll be all right. Okay, so that is allergy. For example, the symptoms of allergy could be like sneezing, watery eyes, okay, running nose, all this stuff actually, okay, allergy. See, when these pollen grains, it is a simple chemical, okay, or maybe like if I take this as pollen grain, and obviously know that the pollen grain outermost covering contains certain proteins, it could be polysaccharides, okay, they are now antigens. They are now antigens, but these antigens, doesn't have that capacity to cause a disease in the body of the human. Okay, if they enter into the human body, but in our body, these particular pollen grain will be treated as something like a real antigen. Okay, and they are going to produce lot of cells. Particularly, let me tell you, the second line of defense cells. A special example is mast cell. Okay, some cells will be there along with our phagocytes. That is called as mast cell. This mast cell is going to release a type of chemical that is called as histamines. Note this point, very important. See, histamines, and the other one is serotonin. So, serotonin. Histamines and serotonin are the two chemicals which are released from the mast cell during the allergy. Okay, so these chemicals, that they are going to bring some changes in our blood vessel, and as a result, some immune cells will be like released into the site where the allergen, that is particular pollen grain, is there. Okay, so that will lead to inflammation. Inflammation means like it's a kind of the fighting is taking place between the antibody and antigen. That is not good for the body. It's like unnecessary fighting. Got it? So this is nothing but called as allergy. Now the thing is, name the antibody which is released during allergy. Very important. Name the antibody. The antibody is immunoglobulin E. Note this point. Immunoglobulin E will be released. Okay. Name the chemicals which are now given to the person who is suffering from allergy, because in his body the concentration of histamines and serotonins will be very high. Okay, it is unnecessary release of these two chemicals from the mast cell. Not necessary, but it is released. Okay, what I have to do is I need to bring the concentration of histamines and serotonin down. For that, I need to take, or the doctor should give antihistamines. Okay, antihistamines, or it could be some steroids, will be now given to the person who is having allergy. That's it. Okay, but in some cases the allergy could be fatal. Okay, for example, if I just inhale a particular chemical, it causes first is sneezing, then runny nose and all this stuff, and my body's cells, that is immune cells, starts producing so many immune cells. Okay, immunity, like it's like for unnecessary reason, and that could now cause certain damage in my cells that leads to death. Okay, so allergy could be very dangerous in some cases. Otherwise, we have already suffered from allergy. We know what is allergy. Dust allergy. Okay, even sometimes the mite or mites. Okay, or it could be, let us say, even sometimes some people have light allergy. Matlab, if go out, so normal, like you start feeling like itchy. So that is actually the thing. There are so many stuffs. Now let me just tell one more topic here. You may get one more question. What are allergens? Allergens are nothing but the agents which causes allergy. Okay, allergens are nothing but the agents, the substances which causes the allergy. Good example for this allergens: pollen grains, dust. Okay, all these stuffs are allergens. Got it? So this is all about allergy.